Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We were in the shop just the other day and I noticed that my lights weren't working on my Jeep doors. So I replaced the batteries. It's just a cheapy little Amazon thing. It's got the Patriot symbol, really cool to celebrate your favorite NFL team. And so I was replacing the batteries and I started thinking, you know, that would really be cool if the Tremor had something like that. Or maybe they have one for the Tremor. So I was gonna start dinking around on Amazon.com. And then I was like, you know, wait a second. My wife's 2021 Lincoln Navigator has the navigation symbol that pops up, the Lincoln symbol on the floor anytime you walk up or anytime that you activate the unlock button. So I was like, well shoot, that's a 2021. My truck's a 2021. It's got puddle lights. Lincoln, Ford, kind of one and the same, right? So well, I started, poking around and finding out that F150LEDs.com just released the puddle light update for the Fords. They have them for the XLT, they have them for the Platinum, the King Ranch, the Lariat, and the Tremor. So I went right on there, ordered it, and within 3 days later, boom, it's hitting the mailbox. I mean, super fast. And packaging is outstanding. Nick and your F150 LED team, American owned and operated. Man, I'll tell you what, super good, super awesome. What else? Nothing else in there. Packaging, top notch as always, just like the hood lights. I promise I'll get to that. I just haven't done it yet. I got distracted with this. What else we got here? Sweet air freshener, free update. Love it. Thanks, man. And stickers. Check that out. It's got Bronco and the Raptor. Come on, Nick. We need the Tremor on there, bro. We need the Tremor. But this is awesome. It's even got a picture of Nick on there. That's super cool. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get the truck in here. Let's open this box and find out what's what. I hear it's a pretty easy install. Just take the other one out, put the new one in, and we should be good. So let's go get the truck into the shop and get this started. All right, so now whenever you walk up on your truck, it's gonna have a courtesy light function, or you can just hit the unlock button and you'll notice that the LED light comes on for the puddle lights. So that's what we're focused on, is changing this out. You might not be able to see it very well, but it's just a generic white light. You know what? Hang on. Now I know it puts off quite a bit of light, and that's really cool. But when that Tremor is down there blazing, it's gonna be pretty sweet. Let's get started. All right, so we got our box opened up and I got the puddle lights out. And I tell you what, everything looks pretty good. You have two leads here, and you'll notice that on the inside here, there's two little dots or holes, and you have an installation tool inside the box that you can insert so you can twist and turn and align the logo as you see fit. But one thing you'll want to pay attention to is as you put this in to its spot, that it's oriented the way it should be, because they are left side or driver side, passenger side. If you put it in wrong, it will actually start shooting the light forward instead of to the rear. So I just got to pay attention to that. They do provide a little screwdriver, and the best thing I see here is just go up until you feel the latch, push down, and then it will remove the light. Undo that. Let's see, yeah. We want to go that way, so just insert these into the inside, tuck it up underneath, and then just push it in. It's that easy. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out and see if we have to do any kind of adjustment. And sure enough, we do. So I'm just going to use that tool. And rotate it. Okay, now when comparing the two, you'll have the standard puddle light and the Tremor puddle light. So there is a significant difference as far as having visibility, but it's still pretty cool. Tuck it back in and set it, and you're good to go. Where's my alignment tool? Now, if you're having troubles with the alignment, I'm curious, we'll go ahead and do the end zone lighting and see if I can get this to stay on a little bit more permanently, because I was having troubles this timing out like every 15 seconds and you're trying to adjust and look. And so let's go ahead and turn the end zone lighting on and see if that actually stays on a little longer so I don't have to jack around with hitting that button every 15 seconds. Oh, J.R. Richards, if you haven't heard it yet, just came out. It's awesome. Anyway, so I went ahead and turned on all the lights, and you can turn on all the other lights if you want, but that's how it kind of works. But I just want to make sure that my puddle lights are on all the time so I can adjust it without having to hit that button. Now we just take our handy dandy tool and get it lined up how we like it. You might want yours long ways or however you want it. Do it. You do you, boo. You do you. Almost. And I like it. All right, guys, let's do the courtesy light check. Coming up. Get close enough to the truck, the lights come on, and boom, TREMOR. Puddle light action. Super sweet. Boom. That looks awesome. Really good. Well, all right, guys, that wraps up a really quick install, literally 3 minutes, if that. Just use your little adjustment tool, line it up how you want to, and you're all set. You know, no sweat. Pretty easy. That's good. I'm not sponsored. Don't worry about it. Not sponsored by them either, but I do support it. American-owned, operated, Nick with F150 LEDs. You can see them on like the YouTube channels. They got a pretty cool website. I have spent my own money on all this. I mean, you've seen my views. I don't even have a lot of subscribers, but I'm working on it. So next up, hood light kit, maybe some vent lights, and some brute string. So stay tuned, click the like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.